Hello. Today I'll show you awRAG's new RIS BibTeX literature import feature. This lets you import your research library with full metadata from any reference management system, Zotero, Mendeley, Citavi, EndNote, or any other. Okay, let's start with the homepage. So first, make sure you're logged in. I'm already signed in. So I'll click this blue banner announcing the new import feature. Let's click it. Okay, here's the overview. We are now on the literature import page. You have two options. Zotero is the quickest. One click, no files needed. It connects directly to your Zotero account in the background via API. Click here to see the detailed setup video. Back to the literature import page. The new file-based import works with any reference manager that exports RIS or BibTeX files, including Mendeley, Citavi, and EndNote. This is what we'll focus on today. Before we start, three important things. First, export a RIS or BibTeX file from your reference manager for the collection you want to import. Second, gather all the PDFs from that same collection. Third, combine both the metadata file and PDFs into one zip file. That's what you'll upload. Behind the scenes, awRAG matches PDFs to metadata using smart file name normalization. Any PDFs without matching metadata won't be imported, so make sure your zip contains both parts. Next, you'll also select or create project folders. Think of this as your collection in awRAG. I'll create a new one called Engineering. Okay, this keeps everything organized. So now let's prepare the zip file. I'm using Mendeley as an example. In Mendeley, I select my engineering collection. It has two documents. I'll export the metadata and I'll choose RIS format. BibTeX works too. Next, I need the PDFs in Mendeley. In Mendeley, they are stored in a specific folder. Yours might be in documents or downloads. The file names don't need to be perfect. That's very important. awRAG normalizes them automatically. So you don't need to have the perfect file name. We all know that file names can sometimes look very weird, so that's no problem for awRAG. Now I place the RIS file and both PDFs into one folder. So select them all and create a zip file. Done. My zip file is ready. Back in awRAG, I've already selected my engineering project. Now I click Choose File, select my zip and upload. The files are uploading now. The actual processing, parsing, metadata, matching PDFs, etc., extracting text, and of course, most importantly, creating the embeddings happens in the background. You don't need to stay on this page. You can just navigate away anytime. Let's check the results. Here's my engineering folder, and inside are the two documents that were imported, complete with metadata from the RIS file. You can click the DOI link to go directly to the article. In the future versions, it's planned that awRAG will also display more metadata content. So that's it. Import your literature from any reference manager in minutes with rich metadata intact, and of course, most importantly, searchable for your interactions with any AI. Thanks for watching.